Here's a budgeting trick that stops surprise bills wrecking your month. The sinking fund. A sinking fund is simply money you set aside gradually, in advance, for a cost you know is coming. Car insurance renewal, Christmas, a holiday, new tires, boiler service. Most people don't budget for these because they're not monthly. So when they land, they feel like emergencies and end up on a credit card or eating into savings that were meant for something else. A sinking fund fixes this by spreading the cost. Say your car insurance is roughly £600 a year. Instead of finding it all at once, you set aside £50 a month into a separate pot. By renewal time, it's already there. This is different to an emergency fund. An emergency fund is for the unexpected. Job loss, a broken boiler with no warning. A sinking fund is for the expected. Things you know will happen, you just don't know the exact month. To start, list your irregular but predictable costs for the year. Add them up. Divide by 12. That's your monthly sinking fund contribution, split across as many separate pots as you like. Many banking apps let you create named savings pots for free, which makes this easy to automate and track. Keep it in an easy access savings account so it's there when you need it. Remember, capital is at risk with any investment, but plain cash savings for this purpose isn't investing. The real win isn't the maths, it's the peace of mind. Once your predictable costs are already funded, the rest of your budget is genuinely free to spend or save. If you want to check current savings account rates or ISA rules, always confirm the details on gov.uk before deciding anything.